Time now for another check your forecasts with our first warm weather team. We're trying to give you something fun because meteorologist Aisha Scott has kind of a dreary forecast for us.
Yeah, it's a dreary forecast, especially for this week into the weekend. You will certainly need to keep an eye on the umbrella because you will need it as we go through the week. We've got some winter storm warnings in effect, also winter weather advisories in effect. That's primarily for the mountains, that winter storm warning, including Boone, also into Clifton, Banner Elk, and then for the foothills, that's where we have that winter weather advisory that will go into effect at 6 o'clock this evening. Now, the biggest issue in the mountains will be the threat for ice, and Larry will talk more about that in just a few minutes. We've got the cold air locked up against the mountains. It is much colder compared to yesterday morning in the mountains. We're at 24 degrees right now in Jefferson, 28 in Boone. If you're stepping out the door in Charlotte, 39 degrees, 40 in Rock Hill, and 40. Good morning to you in Gastonia. Now, over the next couple of days, so really today and tomorrow, we're going to be watching what's called cold air damming, and this is pretty typical for our area. We get the northeasterly winds, so the air gets locked up against the mountains, and it keeps the cold air there because remember, that cold air can't go up and over the mountains. It's very shallow. It's very dense, so it's going to keep things chilly across the area today and tomorrow. But also, Larry, that's the setup that's going to lead to the issues in the mountains.
Without a doubt, you get that freezing rain, the icy mix up there. 1/10 of an inch could cause problems. Wind chills coated with ice, bridges, overpasses, slick spots. Travel can be dangerous. Now, you get about 1/4 to 1/2 an inch. That would be broken tree limbs, power outages, roads become icy. Power lines a major problem, so we'll keep an eye on the potential for that. In addition, some of the higher elevations could get a couple inches of snowfall, so that'll be that wintry mix up there. Futurecast, we take you right into the afternoon, about 2 o'clock. Light rain showers tracking towards the area. This around 5 o'clock. Here comes the rain moving into the region. Notice temperatures above freezing. Then we get to the freezing mark around 9 o'clock tonight in the mountains. More of that on the way overnight through tomorrow. It's all rain here in the mountains and the foothills. That icy mix certainly a possibility over the next 12 to 18 hours. Rain chances do increase as we head towards around 4 o'clock. 80% chance of rain, so late this afternoon into the evening, and rain likely today, tomorrow, right into the weekend. So we got 6 days of rainfall and some chilly temperatures as well. Today's high 46, 39. That's the high tomorrow. We're in the 50s with rain Thursday and Friday. Looking ahead to the weekend, at least Sunday will be nice and mild with about 70 degrees for a high temperature, but more rain. It's not till next Monday that we see sunshine again. Ben is frowning. Ben is
Boo! Next Monday.
That is the worst forecast you've had in quite a while.
You know what, Larry? You should be ashamed of yourself.
6 days of rain. Gosh.
Okay.